In this video, I'll show you how to convert a Visa gift card into cash instantly. For this tutorial, we'll be using PayPal. The process is simple as long as your Visa gift card is activated and registered. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, make sure your Visa gift card is registered with your name and zip code. You can usually do this on the website listed on the back of the gift card. Registering the card is important because it allows the card to work properly for online payments. Next, open the PayPal app or go to the PayPal website and log into your account. Once logged in, go to your account settings and look for the section called Banks and Cards. From there, select Link a new card and enter your Visa gift card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code on the back of the card. After entering the information, save the card to your PayPal account. Once the gift card has been linked successfully, go back to the PayPal home screen and choose Send Money. You can send the balance from the gift card to a trusted friend, family member, or another PayPal account you own. Make sure the Visa gift card is selected as the payment method before sending the payment. After the money appears in your PayPal balance, you can transfer it to your linked bank account. Keep in mind that some transactions may include small fees depending on the type of transfer or account being used. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.